You may be investing for a while now, but have you ever wondered, as an investor into mutual funds, what are your rights? Are you aware of important information such as redemption of your fund or scheme-related documents or dividend payouts, etc.? SEBI ensures every investor has access to all these informations and these rights. For instance, if you have chosen to invest in a certain mutual fund scheme, you will have the right to go through the Scheme Information Document or SID and Key Information Memorandum or KIM. If there are any changes made in these documents, the same is notified to all the investors by the mutual fund houses. If you have already invested in a certain scheme, you will get an email or SMS alert or both within 5 working days. You are also entitled to get the annual reports from the fund house. Mutual fund houses publish their half-yearly results in at least one national daily, and mandatorily they also have to publish their entire portfolio at least once in every 6 months. If the fund house makes any fundamental changes in the scheme, for instance, equity scheme converted into a debt scheme or vice versa, or risk profile of a scheme being changed, and if you feel that is not suitable to your existing risk profile or your set objectives, you can also exit that investment without paying any exit load. If you have consulted a distributor to invest in certain schemes, you have the right to know what is the amount of money or commission the mutual fund house is paying to the distributor for selling those schemes. If you have opted for redemption, the amount should come to your account within 10 working days, beyond which you can ask for a certain interest rate from the fund house for the period of delay after the expiry on the 10th day. However, this threshold is still 30 days for dividends. And if you are not happy with certain services of the fund house, you can always address your concern to the investor grievance officer. Every fund house has one. And if it is not resolved, you can also escalate it to the compliance officer, CEO or AMFI, and in worst case scenarios to SEBI as well. However, there are certain limitations to these rights and you should be aware of. As a mutual fund investor, you have chosen to take some calculated risks in order to achieve your financial goals. Just the way you are entitled to profits or gains from the fund performance, you will also have to bear losses. You may also not claim principal protection in case it is not specified in the scheme documents, or ask for compensation in case if a fund is not performing. So choose to be a well-informed investor and keep up to your investment decisions in order to achieve your financial goals.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.